One of the key changes we've gone through over the course of 25 years, we'll be celebrating our 25th year anniversary this coming January, is we've had to change who we are. We were a traditional landscaping company that did traditional things for everybody. And over the last 6 years, we have re-transformed our business again into a strictly commercial maintenance and snow and ice removal company who offers enhancement services just strictly to its portfolio of clients around Cleveland. Probably the most important things about Showgrounds Management is much like the economy and the industry, we've had to change over the years to be competitive and participate and be profitable in our industry. One of the key things that separates us from competitors in our marketplace is our commitment to our culture. We joke around culture eats strategy every day, all day. Our people, the amount of time and the energy we invest into our people has transformed our business and the way we go to market. And our sole purpose and point to who we are and what we do is to deliver an extraordinary experience, not only to our clients, but to our staff. And I think that's transferred over to who we are and what we've become in the Cleveland market. I would say our goal is to work for all the premier properties in our marketplace that appreciate the value that we bring to their organization. We truly look at every relationship as a partnership. It's got to be mutually beneficial. They have to be profitable, we need to remain profitable so we can provide excellent solutions year-round. There's no doubt that landscaping not only improves the aesthetics of a property, but actually improves the environment that your employees and your staff are working in. It relieves stress, it enhances your image, and also helps clean up and maintain the environment. I would say we're one of the greenest commercial contractors in Cleveland. We're probably about 75% of our mowing fleet is propane. We're using bionutritional fertilizers to remove as many of the synthetics as we possibly can out of our lawn care programs. Safety is paramount in everything we do, from our fleet to the equipment that we're using on a day-to-day basis, and training and knowledge is power. We are constantly talking about all those benefits, not only on the environment, but the impact that they have on our staff and our clients. To learn more about Showgrounds Management, go to showlandscaping.com.